So it has been confirmed that Kobe Bryant and his daughter were among the passengers on the helicopter, along with Kobe Bryant's daughter's friends and her parents and the pilot of the helicopter. This is a very sad day across the world, not only just for the Basketball Association, not just for Kobe Bryant's fans, but for parents and people in general, as all these people lost their lives on a helicopter crash. Um, they're not saying what exactly caused the helicopter to go down at this time, but it has been confirmed that there was at least 9 others on the plane with Kobe Bryant and his daughter. It's just a very sad day. You know, Kobe Bryant was a legend that played for 20 years in the NBA. He played for the same team his whole career, the Los Angeles Lakers, as everyone is mourning his loss right now. So we'll be back with more updates on this situation as more unfolds. As everyone sends your condolences and prayers to Kobe Bryant's family and to also those others who lost their lives and loved ones on the helicopter crash. Gang.